Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic. How to check your Monzo deposit limit, full guide for 2025. If you're a Monzo user, you know how important it is to stay on top of your account limits to avoid any surprises with deposits. Whether you're a new user or a seasoned pro, this guide will help you navigate the process quickly and easily. So, let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Monzo app installed on your phone. Head over to your App Store, update if needed, and open the app. Once you're in, log in with your usual credentials. That's your email, phone number, or biometric login for extra security. Now, once you're logged in, tap on the menu icon, usually represented by 3 lines or a hamburger icon in the top corner. This will bring up your main dashboard. From there, scroll down or look for the Settings or Account section. In 2025, Monzo has made this even more straightforward, so you might see a dedicated Limits and Security tab right away. Next, inside the Settings menu, find and select Deposit Limits or something similar. It could be under Transaction Limits or Account Controls. Here, you'll see your current daily or monthly deposit limits displayed clearly. Monzo sets these based on your account type and verification status, so if you're a verified user, you might have higher limits. If you can't find it easily, don't panic. Use the search bar in the app and type deposit limit. Monzo's interface is user-friendly and will guide you. Remember, these limits can change, so always check the latest updates in the app or on the Monzo website. One quick tip. If you're trying to increase your limit, you might need to verify your identity further or contact Monzo support through the in-app chat. That wraps up our guide. By following these steps, you'll have your deposit limit checked in no time. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more banking tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.